So here we want to multiply x plus 3 by x minus 5. And we're going to use distribution to do it. Later on we'll see how it can be done using FOIL, which a lot of you will know of already. But we're going to use it here using distribution. And the first step we said to do is to split this first parentheses up. So let's say we take the x out here and then take the second term, and that includes the plus sign. You must include the sign. And take it out here and put plus 3 there. Okay, so you've split up the first parentheses. Now, what you'll do next is you'll multiply each of these individual parts, the x and the plus 3, by the entire second parentheses. So multiply each of the terms in the first expression, the first parentheses, by everything that's in the second parentheses. And now we'll just differentiate, excuse me. Or not differentiate, distribute, I beg your pardon. Okay. So if we do that, we're going to get, now we're multiplying now, so when you multiply an x by an x, you get x squared. Remember the rules of multiplying? Okay, the rules of multiplying. Signs, well, same signs give you a positive answer. Different signs will give you a negative answer. Numbers, we're not going to worry too much about numbers, because numbers, you just multiply numbers by numbers in the traditional way that you always did. For variables, okay, if it's the same variables, you simply add the powers. If they're different variables, then you write usually in alphabetical order. Not necessarily so, but usually you'll write them in alphabetical order, and you write them all together. Okay, you write all the variables together. Now that's not going to apply in this case because the variables that we're working with right here are the same. So x by x, it's the same variable we're measuring, we're multiplying, so we add the powers. Now x by negative 5, that's a plus x by negative 5. Plus by a minus is different, so it's going to be minus. X by 5 is 5x. Now you do a similar thing here, you distribute by the plus 3. Okay, so if we do that, we have plus 3 by x, that's plus 3x. And then we have plus 3 by minus 5. Again, we're multiplying still at this point because of the parentheses. It tells us that we're multiplying. So plus 3 by minus 5. Different signs, so the answer is going to be minus, and it's just numbers this time. There's no variables involved, so 3 by 5 is 15. Okay, the last step is to look for like terms. Okay, look for like terms in what you've got, and the like terms are here. Now include, again, always include the sign. Okay, the only time that you can ever ignore a sign is if it comes right at the start of a line and it's a plus. Okay, that's the only time you can ever ignore a sign. But in this case, we're going to have x squared, and we'll have minus 5x plus 3x, and we'll have minus 15. So it's x squared. Now, these are like terms, the rules of addition. There are no parentheses left anymore, so we're now talking about addition. Remember what the rules of addition are? If two terms have the same sign, two like terms have the same sign, you add and you keep the sign. If they have different signs, you subtract the small one from the big one, but keep the sign of the bigger number. So in this case, we have two numbers with different signs. We have minus 5 and plus 3. So we're going to, because the signs are different, we'll subtract 3 from 5 is 2, so that's going to be 2x. But use the sign of the bigger number. 5 was bigger than 3, so it's a minus. Minus 15. And there's our answer. X squared minus 2x minus 15. Okay, so there's the entire problem. Okay, thank you.